Hello, Nevada Virtual Academy. One more problem, rational expressions. What could we do in here? How can we simplify that? Remember, as usual, you take your numerator and you're simplifying it first, right? 2y minus 3 over 4. Well, I've got two fractions with two different denominators, y and 4. Their least common multiple of y and 4 will be 4y, which means multiply the first one by 4 and the second one by y. Okay, so what you have, 4 times 2 will be 8 over 4y minus 3y over 4y. Because I have a common denominator, which is 4y, I can write everything as what? 8 minus 3y over 4y. Good. Moving on. Your denominator now, let's write it in a better form. I got 1 over 2 plus 5 over y. Okay, common denominator of 2 and y will be 2y, which means multiply first fraction by y, top and bottom. Second one by 2, right? 2 times 5, 2 times y. What you have? You have 1 times y, which is y, over 2y, your first fraction, plus 2 times 5 is 10, over 2 times y, 2y. And now, because I have a common denominator, I can write it down, and my numerator will be y plus 10. Okay? This is your denominator, and this one is your numerator. So rewrite this fraction with your new numerator and denominator. Well, they're pretty much the same, but they're just in a simplified form. Top, 8 minus 3y over 4y. Everything, as you can see, this fraction line is bigger, right? Over y plus 10 over 2y. Now, because the fraction line implies division, you have your top one. Remember the rule when you divide fractions, skip, flip, multiply. So write your numerator the same way it is, which is 8 minus 3y over 4y. And now skip the second one, right? Because we're talking about skip, flip, multiply. Flip the second one, right? It's reciprocal. And the reciprocal of y plus 10 will be over 2y will be 2y over y plus 10. Okay, and then you multiply them. And now, first of all, look for cross simplification, right? For cross cancellation here, I got a y and the y, 2 and 4. 2 divided by 2 will be 1. 4 divided by 2 will be 2. Or you may basically say that, you can simplify by 2y, which goes in 4y 2 times. All right. Now, multiply across, you have what? A minus 3y times 1, because that's the only number left in there. 8 minus 3y over 2 times y plus 10. And now, because in your answers here you don't have any parentheses, you will multiply the bottom one. It will be 8 minus 3y over 2y plus 2 times 10, 20. Be careful here, right? Many of you are making mistakes when you multiply a parenthesis by a number. You make sure you multiply that 2 by y, and you multiply that 2 by 10. Okay? So 8 minus 3y over 2y plus 20, and obviously your third option here is exactly the same. And that's it. Let me know if I made any mistake. I'm not perfect, but these are the steps you usually have to follow if you need to simplify a rational expression. Thank you guys. I will see you soon.